If you're on the hunt for a motherboard with a flagship chipset that doesn't break the bank, then the ASRock Z890 Pro-A is one of your best options. It's among the most affordable and entry-level ATX Z890 motherboards out there, and while it might seem pretty bare bones at first glance, it delivers solid performance and a decent feature set for its low price. In terms of specifications, the motherboard uses an all-black 6-layer PCB with 2-ounce copper layers in between. Since it's a budget option, there's no onboard RGB and the design is fairly basic. It comes with a 16+1+1+1 power phase configuration, with each phase rated at 60 amps. That said, overclocking potential will be somewhat limited. The motherboard also features ASRock's 2 high-density EPS power connectors, which help deliver power to the VRMs for regulation and overall system stability. Both connectors can supply enough power to easily support high-end chips. You also get 2 generously sized VRM heatsinks with thermal pads underneath, helping keep the VRMs from reaching unfavorable temperatures. For memory, the board includes 4 DIMM slots in a 2 DIMM per channel configuration, supporting the latest CU DIMM standard. It supports DDR5 memory with a maximum capacity of 256GB and speeds of up to 9066 plus megatransfers per second. The storage situation is not bad either, offering 4 M2 slots and 4 SATA 3 6GB per second ports. Only one of the M2 slots supports PCIe Gen 5 and comes with a heatsink cover, while the remaining 3 are PCIe Gen 4. It also has a fair selection of PCIe slots, with the primary one being the PCIe Gen 5x16 slot. It's the only one among the 3 that features a latch system and ASRock's reinforced steel shielding, which helps with the installation of heavier graphics cards. What it doesn't have is any built-in wireless networking functionality. However, it does include a PCIe Type 2230 M2 socket where you can install a Wi-Fi module yourself, and for gamers, wired network functionality is present. That being said, there are other Z890 boards with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, but those will cost you more than what the ASRock Z890 Pro-A is asking for. Overall, the functionality of the motherboard is great, offering decent performance and a good selection of I/O at a budget-friendly price. It only falls behind in a few areas, such as wireless networking, a more robust cooling solution, and the overall aesthetics of the board itself. To sum up, what I like is the fast memory support and latest CU DIMM standard, the PCIe Gen 5x16 and M2 expansion slots, and the simple design. On the downside, there is no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth functionality and no flashy RGB or catchy aesthetics.